10 everyday habits that are destroying your neck and back and how to fix them. Taking care of your neck and back is essential for maintaining a healthy, pain-free life. Yet many of us unintentionally adopt habits in our daily routines that slowly cause tension, strain, and long-term damage. The good news? These habits can be reversed. In this video, we'll walk through 10 everyday habits that might be harming your neck and back, along with simple and actionable fixes. The first step toward improving neck and back health is recognizing the habits that contribute to discomfort. Here are the 10 most common culprits. Think about how often you're hunched over your phone, scrolling, texting, or watching videos. This posture, known as tech neck, causes significant strain on your cervical spine. Tilting your head forward at an angle increases the pressure on your neck, which can result in stiffness, pain, and long-term wear and tear. Many people spend hours at their desks without realizing how much their workstation setup impacts their posture. Sitting at the wrong height, keeping your screen too low, or failing to support your lower back can lead to slouching, spinal misalignment, and muscle fatigue. Oversized handbags, backpacks, or gym bags can wreak havoc on your neck and shoulder alignment when carried on one side. The uneven weight distribution forces your muscles to overcompensate, which can lead to imbalances and discomfort in both your upper and lower back. The way you sleep plays a significant role in spinal health. Common culprits include sleeping on an unsupportive mattress or using a pillow that pushes your neck into an unnatural angle. Night after night, this can strain your neck and back muscles. A sedentary lifestyle, whether due to long work hours or extended periods of sitting, weakens the muscles that support your back and neck. Over time, being stationary for too long can lead to stiffness, poor posture, and even chronic pain. Everyday activities like cooking, cleaning, or doing laundry often require bending, twisting, or standing for long periods. If done with poor posture, these chores can create tension and strain in your back and neck over time. Lifting heavy items without proper form is another common problem. Many people bend from their waist instead of their knees, putting unnecessary pressure on their lower back. Repeating this mistake weakens muscles and increases the risk of injury. Shoes that lack arch support, like flat sandals or high heels, can change your body alignment. This throws off your posture and places stress on your lower back and spine. Jumping straight into intense activities without preparing your muscles can abruptly strain your back and neck. Regular warm-ups are essential to safeguard your spine and prevent injuries. Flexibility is key to keeping your neck and back healthy. When you skip out on stretching or mobility exercises, your body stiffens, making you more prone to discomfort and injury over time. Now that we've identified the habits, let's dig into the damage they cause. Understanding the effects is critical for recognizing why change is essential. Poor posture, lack of movement, or incorrect form during daily activities can lead to muscle imbalances. Over time, these imbalances cause stiffness, aches, and decreased flexibility. Neglecting these small problems can escalate into long-term issues like bulging discs, nerve pain, or chronic back problems. Even seemingly harmless activities like checking your phone or carrying a bag contribute to cumulative wear and tear. Early warning signs include occasional discomfort, difficulty sitting or standing for long periods, or popping and clicking sounds when you move. Catching these issues early allows you to prevent more severe complications in the future. The good news is that your body is resilient, and with the right approach, the damage can be reduced or even reversed. By implementing small but consistent changes, you'll experience relief and improve your overall health and energy levels. Let's move on to the practical fixes that will help you break these habits and take better care of your neck and back. Hold your phone at eye level to avoid tilting your head forward. Take frequent breaks from your phone to stretch your neck. Practice neck-strengthening exercises like chin tucks to counter the strain. Adjust your chair so your feet rest flat on the floor and your knees form a 90-degree angle. Place your computer monitor at eye level to avoid looking down. Use a lumbar support cushion to maintain the natural curve of your lower back. Switch to a backpack or crossbody bag to distribute weight evenly. Carry only the essentials to lighten the load. If you must use a single shoulder strap, switch sides frequently. Invest in a supportive mattress that keeps your spine aligned. Use a pillow that maintains the natural curve of your neck. Avoid sleeping on your stomach as it forces your neck into an awkward position. Set a timer to stand, stretch, or take a brief walk every 30 minutes. Consider using a standing desk to alternate between sitting and standing. Incorporate small exercises like seated marches or shoulder rolls into your desk routine. Engage your core while standing or bending during tasks such as vacuuming or washing dishes. Use ergonomic tools like long-handled brooms to avoid excessive bending. Always bend your knees and use your legs to lift heavy objects, keeping your back straight. Hold the object close to your body to avoid straining your spine. If the object is too heavy, ask for help instead of pushing yourself. Opt for shoes with good arch support and cushioning, especially if you'll be on your feet all day. Minimize wearing high heels or completely flat shoes. Spend 5-10 minutes warming up with dynamic stretches like arm circles or leg swings before any activity. Focus on loosening your back, shoulders, and neck. Cooling down after exercise is equally important to prevent stiffness. Try yoga or Pilates to enhance flexibility and strengthen your core. Even 10 minutes of stretching a day can make a noticeable difference in how you feel. Your neck and back play a vital role in every movement you make, and they deserve to be cared for. By addressing everyday habits that contribute to tension and strain, you set yourself up for a healthier, pain-free future. Small adjustments like sitting properly, stretching regularly, or improving your posture during chores may seem simple, but their impact on your overall well-being is immense. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. Start by implementing 1 or 2 fixes and gradually build from there. Over time, you'll strengthen your neck and back, improve your posture, and feel more energized in your daily life. Now it's your turn. Which habit are you going to fix first? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical health tips. Your spine will thank you. Check out the description page for recommended supplements and health solutions. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.